All right, we've made it to the exercises. Let's go ahead and read in this employee data set and let's assign the salary column. That's the first thing we'll work at. All right. All right, it says find the minimum, maximum, mean, median, and standard deviation of the salary column. Well, we'll just go ahead and use the AG method that we learned about. So min, max, mean, median, standard deviation like that. So there you go. Return the result as a series. There it is. Use the IDX max and IDX min methods to find the index where the maximum and minimum salaries are located in the data frame. Then use the loc indexer to select both of those rows as a data frame. Okay. So we can do it like this. We can find IDX max and IDX min like this. So those are the two values. That's where they're located. That is the index. I know this is a very boring index. So that's where they are. They're just down here, 1732 and 1183. So what we can do here is we can just assign this to something called vals, and then we say we can actually use the entire employee data set. We'll do dot loc. We want these. This is the loc indexer, which works by label. So these are the two labels, right? Vals right here, 1732. We can just put them in here, vals, and we get there's 1732, there's 1183. So this is the employee with the highest salary, and this is the employee with the lowest salary. All right, repeat exercise 3, but do so on the IMDb score column. All right, so it just is just a repeat. I guess we can just do this. And instead of emp, we have movie.loc, and we'll put vals over here. And just so you can see what vals are, because we have the title in the index, it is a little bit different. It's not just the integer. It has an actual string label. So here's the one with the lowest or the highest score, Towering Inferno. Scroll over here, you can see that. And then we have the other Justin Bieber movie with the lowest score. All right, number 4, the IDX max and IDX min methods are aggregations as they return a single value. Use the ag method to return the min, max, IMDb score, and then label for each score. So we've already done that, but let's just do it again. IDX min, we can pass it into this, ag method, IDX max, min, and max like that. Moving on to exercise 5, read in 20 years of Microsoft stock data, setting the date column as the index. Find the top 5 one-day percentage gains in the adjusted close column. All right, let's read in the data, and we need to get this adjusted close column. So there it is, and just to show you, this is all 20 years. We're not just looking at 10 data points anymore. So what we want to do is find the percentage change. We call it without any parameters. That just looks at the day before. So this is the very first day is a large gain of 6.9%. So we want to find the top 5, and all we do is n largest and put in 5 over there. This will be the top 5 largest gains for Microsoft. And then you also see the data over here. So it's pretty cool. You can see exactly when those gains occurred. Number 6, randomly sample the actor 1 column as a series with replacement to select 3 values. Use random state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Setting a random state ensures that the same random sample is shown regardless of which machine or version of NumPy is being used. Okay, so let's do actor 1, movie, and let's just select this actor 1 column so we can see it. So this is something I didn't talk about in the videos, but if you do sample, it says sample 3 values, so you can say n equals 3. Now every time you run this, you will get a different set of actors, but if you press Shift Tab Tab, you'll see a random state, and this can be any integer, but if you set it to some integer, it'll give you the same result. So I'm executing this over and over again. I'm going to get the same thing. If I do a different random state, it'll just be the same ones over and over again, but for those particular movies. All right, number 7, select the title column from the employee data set. So let's go ahead and do that. Replace all occurrences of police officer and senior police officer with police. Okay, so the way to do multiple ones is to, you can actually, in the to replace, you can actually give it a list over here. So we can say police officer. This is like saying and, so look for both of these, and senior police officer. So there's a list, and we're going to replace it with just one value like this. So it's going to look for both of these and replace them. Maybe we should also just put in, just so you can see that this actually works, just to verify. There's police sergeant, so that is now also police. So all 3 of these will be replaced with just police, or it's going to simplify it a little bit. All right, so that does it for the exercises.